how can I minimize the amount that my client's got to pay? That's the first thing on their mind when a claim hops onto their desk.
Tell us a little bit about what you were doing as an insurance adjuster. What's their job?
Yeah, so to sum it up in one quick, nice package, their job when they get a claim at their desk is to figure out A, who's at fault, and B, what that means for their client. And their client is the insurance company and the person who they're representing. So that's usually, if it's a car accident, the person who would have hit our client. That's their person. And they're trying to figure out, how can I minimize the amount that my client's got to pay? That's the first thing on their mind when a claim hops onto their desk. And from there, it's all strategic, trying to get the case closed out as quickly as possible for as small as possible. And I say as quickly as possible because claims that are closed very fast are typically settled for the least.
That's right. And so people who have been injured, who either have an attorney or don't have an attorney, insurance adjusters are not on their side. They're nice and they're supposed to be nice, but their objective is to extract information, to get the case settled for as little as possible and for as quick as possible.
100%. And keep in mind, they represent the insurance company and they typically represent the person who hit you. Those are their clients. Nice as they are, that's where their loyalty lies.
Yeah. And then how about as a defense lawyer, did you go to any jury trials?
Oh yeah, a ton. So I started practicing in Georgia. So as a baby attorney, we had magistrate court, which is small claims court. So they started us all there, where we would handle simpler, smaller cases, and then eventually progressed up to jury trials.
And why did you switch from the defense side over to the plaintiff side?
I wanted to try something different. So as an adjuster, obviously, you're also on the defense side. So you're only seeing one side of things. And as a defense attorney, you get a lot of interaction with other plaintiffs' attorneys, as well as plaintiffs themselves. And it can feel more personal. So, for example, when you're a defense attorney or even an insurance adjuster, most of your communication with other adjusters, like corporate people, red tape, you're not really talking to the individuals involved. I think that's one thing that is very unique between plaintiffs' attorneys and defense attorneys, is the kind of interaction with the people who have been heavily influenced by the accident, as opposed to those who are in like the corporate end of things trying to manage everything.
And now that you're on the plaintiff side and you're doing primarily the pre-litigation side, but you have litigation experience, what would you